Back in 2019, Chief Justice Acting Roxanne George ruled that house-to-house registration cannot be used to remove persons' names from the National Register of Registrants. In fact, the Chief Justice held that residence requirements from citizens is no longer a qualification for the registration. However, the opposition leader Aubrey Norton is contending that Justice George's ruling poses another danger. He said, quote, even more, a court could accept the argument that GCOM must do all in its power to ensure these non-resident citizens cannot exercise this right without undue burden, such as finding the time and money to travel to and from Guyana, end quote. As such, the opposition leader said that his party is looking at the possible reintroduction of overseas or external voting. Quote, Parliament must now take up its role and responsibility. Parliament must urgently address the unintended consequences of the Chief Justice's straight legal ruling. Parliament must seek to prevent the political dangers the absence of a residency test will provoke. Parliament must ensure that elections in Guyana are accurate, credible, and can win the public trust, end quote. The main opposition has been calling for a clean voters list and the use of biometric system in a bid to prevent voters impersonation. The coalition has been contending that the current voters list is bloated and consists of Guyanese who are not in Guyana, among other irregularities. But the ruling People's Progressive Party Civic has been shutting down these calls. Reported for HGP Nightly News, Shemar Alleyne.